Hey guys, it's Melanie and my baby girl just turned 5 years old. So smart, so kind, so talented. I cannot believe she's 5 years old. She wanted a unicorn party, so I could not disappoint. I had to make a few decorations. Of course, it's 2020. I couldn't just go buy anything I needed from the store. So a lot of the stuff is stuff you probably have at home already. I hope so. Like this card box was just a package that was delivered from Amazon. I covered it in white paper. I'll show you guys the clips. I hope that you like the video. If you have any questions, leave them below. Please like, comment, subscribe, pin the video. You guys know. All right, let's watch it. All right, Shins, guys, the first thing I want to start with is that card box since I showed it at the beginning. It's really super simple. I'm sure you could figure it out on your own. First, I want to thank everyone that sent my children cards. Both kids got cards, even though it was her birthday. She got so many cards. I am so grateful for all of the love. Seriously, so grateful. We are so blessed. But guys, like I said at the beginning, it is just a box covered in whatever color paper you want. We chose white for a white unicorn. And it was just, I don't know, an Amazon box or a Target box. Y'all know, everything's been delivered to the house lately. Anyway, in order to make the horn, I just took one of the printed out horns that I made for another project. You'll see it later in the video. But I used that as a guide to make a cardstock one. I figured cardstock would stick up better on the box. But you can totally just print one out and glue it on. Makes it a little easier. You can also just print out ears. I made really super simple ears. I took the same color as the box, made like little rounded triangles, and then made smaller ones in pink and glued them on, and that's it. And then in order to do the eyes, I just made, the little tiny like blinking eyes with the little half circle and the lines. Y'all can totally do this super easily. Next is this pinata, y'all. I love this pinata. I think it turned out pretty okay. I made it with a cereal box and some streamers and some glue and some string. Super, super simple. I had the whole DIY, and I'll link it below. You can watch me try to make it. It's just a cereal box. You stick glue. You cut the streamers. You wrap it up like a mummy. You print out the image of whatever kind of party you want, and then you stick it on, and voila, you have a kind of decent pinata. The kids liked it. I'll link the DIY below if you want to see me making it, but it totally worked. I was so happy about it. All right, y'all, let's talk about what I sent out for the party. Some sort of like little souvenir. I printed out a coloring sheet with the unicorn, a printed out unicorn horn that you can color and wear to the Zoom party. And I did friendship bracelets, which were braided, which made it super easy for me to make. And I said they were unicorn tails. You can also do horse tails. So I needed something I can easily send out. You can totally do this at a party where you're actually going to have a gathering. We couldn't because it's 2020. So anyway, I just printed out a ton of unicorn horns. Everybody got to wear them to the party. It was so cool. Everyone had a magic bracelet. So I thought that was really cool for her. We did a pin the horn on the unicorn. Y'all, you can make this for any party. When my sister would turn 4 years old, my parents made her a pin the tail on a crocodile because she was a huge fan of the Crocodile Hunter. I kid you not, her 4th birthday. Anyway, you guys, we just made this super simple. You can print it out and then print out unicorn horns. My husband was able to draw this for me. I wish I can draw, y'all, because I can't. Aren't my kids so freaking cute trying to get this on? Anyway, you guys, yes. Just you can pin the horn on or the tail on or the leg on, anything. But we did this super quickly. Quick second about the cake. This is me trying to film them singing happy birthday. So many iPads, so many people on Zoom. It was amazing. I'm so grateful. The cake, you guys, I just threw a bunch of sprinkles on it and got little lollipops with like unicorn horns. And there you go. I am not the best cake maker, but you add sprinkles and she didn't care. So sprinkles on a cake, 10 out of 10, recommend. Speaking of the cake, as you can see, there is a banner on the cake. I was wanting that to be above the cake, but I don't want it to catch on fire, so I put it in front of the cake. It was made the same way as the banner behind us, so let's talk about that. So for the banner, guys, I just printed out Happy Birthday Dakota and then Dakota for the banner on her cake. It's super simple. You can just do this in a Word document and print it out, or you can Photoshop it, or you could have someone on Etsy do it. I actually do something like this on my Etsy, and it's really super simple. After you print it out, you just glue it on the cardstock. You could do like one color or 2 colors for your theme, but we did rainbow because, unicorns. And we did rainbow in between each word. You can do this for basically any party. But once you glue it onto that cardstock, I think it really comes to life. And for us. I just taped it onto some purple string. You can always make it a little bit longer at the top to fold it over however you want. I just taped it, worked out pretty well. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you like my ideas. If you have any other ideas, please let me know in the comments below. But that is it. We had a really, really good party. I really appreciate all of the love. So excited. This is her posing for the camera. And here's a good look at how we decorated. We taped some of the unicorns on the balloons too. Anyway, that is it. Please stay and subscribe for DIYs every single week. It means the world to me. Bye, y'all. Love yins.